G'day guys, welcome back to Aussie Buckets main distribution facility here in Truganina, Melbourne. My name's Riley and today I'm going to be walking you through our rotating multi-purpose grab. This attachment's going to come with our industry leading 5-year warranty, so let's check it out. Alrighty guys, let's get into this walk around of our rotating multi-purpose grab. So we start down at the business end. We're going to have our 5-finger interlocking design with our chisel teeth. So chisel teeth, they're going to allow you to get under things, pick things up nice and close. And then obviously that interlocking 5-finger design is going to allow you to pick things up, grab it all the way up and tuck it right in. Now on our arms here, you're going to see our reinforced steel plating. So that's going to be on both sides. That's just going to add a bit more durability to the attachment, adding a bit more life to the attachment itself. And along with that, you're going to have your torsional bars, keeping the form of both the 2-finger and the 3-finger side. All right, so we're going to have our dual ram design. So we're going to have a ram in this arm and a ram in the other arm. So these rams are going to be protected by this shrouding plate here from any dirt and debris and things that you don't want near your ram. Along with that, we're going to have an inbuilt relief valve. So both rams are going to have inbuilt relief valves, meaning if too much pressure is applied to the attachment itself, we're going to have oil spit out of those instead of bending your ram or hurting your machine. So that 360 motor is really going to allow you to have versatility on site, giving you that full 360 degrees of rotation, allowing you to pick up anything that's on a weird angle or a difficult angle that your normal standard hydraulic grab isn't going to be able to do. Now if we move up, you're going to have a bolt-on head bracket on this model. So this is an optional extra. You can choose to have this. This means that you can swap in and around machines. So I've got this one set up for a 30-tonner, but if I was running, say, a 32-tonner, this will still be able to do it. We just need to change that hitch bracket and away you go. Now, all hydraulic implements of Aussie Buckets, we're going to have our hoses and couplers to suit. So hose lengths just right for your machine, along with the couplers, so it allows you to plug straight in and get straight to work as soon as possible. Alrighty guys, that's going to wrap up our walk around of our rotating multi-purpose grab. So if you're in the recycling industry, forestry industry, or just the civil space, and you look for an attachment that's going to allow you to be precise on site, a versatile implement that's going to improve your efficiency, then give us a call on 03 9917 8598 or head over to the website aussiebuckets.com.au and speak to an expert today.